So we're going to spin Blizzard Orthus and attack type Beyblade first time in the stadium. Let's see how it goes. This Beyblade is super rare. It's Takara Tomy and it costs like thousands of dollars. Pretty sweet, pretty sleek. That's your typical attack type Beyblades. Really, it's good. I like the way it's moving. Fine. Cool. Not bad. Okay, so let's have another battle. Or let's wait till it stops. We can wait till it stops. Let's see if it stands, because sometimes these Beyblades just stand, you know? They just stand, bro. Wow. Bro. Gosh, it looks good, man. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, that looks cool, actually. Come, let's have another battle. Sorry, not a battle, just a spin test. And we go. So this time we're gonna move like this, you know, kind of in an attack mode. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, cool, man. So the attacking is super competitive. You can probably knock out a lot of Beyblades. And that's it. Can you hear that sound?